Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. It's free for you and really helps us to continue making these videos every day. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 266. If we start with this box, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. For this row, we're missing a 1. And for this row, we're missing an 8. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 1. For this box, we're missing 5 and 7. I don't see any help, so 5, 7, 5, 7. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got 2 and 7 here, so this is our 1. 2 here, so 7, 2. For this column now, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got 1 and 4 here, so this is our 5. I don't see any other help. So 1, 4, 1, 4. For this box, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 5, and I don't see any help. So 3, 5, 3, 5. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got the 1 here, so 3, 4. 3 and 4 here. So this is our 1. That 4 makes this our 3, 4. For this column, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got 2 and 6 here, so this is our 9. 2 here, so 6, 2. For this bottom row now, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got the 4 here, so 5, 7. 7 covering these two boxes. So 4, 5, 4, 5. And that means that our 7 has to be here. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got the 3 here, so 5, 6. No help here. 3, 5, 6. 6 here, so 3, 5. For this row, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got the 2 covering these two boxes, so our 2 must be here. But I don't see any other help, so 6, 9, 6, 9. But now if we look at this box, the only place there can be a 5 is here. That 5 makes this our 3, 6. For this column now, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 covering here and a 6 covering here, so this is our 6, 9. I don't see any other help, so 3, 9, 3, 9. For this column, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 6. That 5 makes this our 3, 5. That 3 makes this our 9, 3. For this top row now, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. That 7 makes this our 5, 7. That 5 makes this our 4, 5. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 8. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. That 4 makes this our 1 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.